Okay, today we're in Xiling Snow Mountain. So I think the hike is about 3 hours and yeah, doesn't look too hard. Amy's decided to go with the suit trousers again. Jesus Christ. Apparently we can see some water deer, whatever that is. Okay, onwards and upwards after the monkey experience. So we're up at about 1,400 meters now, and I'm not sure how far there is to go. There are many conflicting maps. Like one map says you can go up to 1,700 meters, and one map says you can go up to 2,100 meters, but nobody seems to know. On the way up I thought there was this like mountain spray, but it turns out it's fake. Okay, we just stopped for a bit of water, now we're off again. Now we are at Frog Lake. I think it's a stretch, but apparently this is the frog. So the path has become a bit more rugged now. We're up at about 1,500 meters and we've walked about 3.7 kilometers apparently. I think we have about a kilometer to go. It's becoming a lot more green now and a lot more open up here. So according to a guy we just met, we can't go any further after about 100 meters because the road is blocked. Why? I don't know. But let's have a look. So it seems we can't go any further, so we're going to chill for a bit and then head back down, unfortunately. But it's been a good walk. Have you enjoyed it? Yeah, she's not fond of walking this one.
But I made it.
You did make it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. So we're down the mountain now and she is eating a potato. Gourmet cuisine. Oh wait a minute. We're gonna head back soon. Should be about a half hour back to the hotel. So this is our method of transport. It's about half hour back to the hotel. A very uncomfortable half hour. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.